the channel. So do you remember us making silage from the dry maize stalk and we added urea? So this is the place that we buried the silage, and today I'm going to harvest it. I'm going to uncover it so that I can see, and I still start feeding. The other silage that I had is already finished, so I want to start these from today. So I'm going to be cutting these, although it is very painful when you are cutting maize at this stage, but I have to do it because of my cows. I have to take care of my cows. So this is where we buried it, and let's open together and see results. If the results are good, the better. If they are bad, we accept it the way it is. So because we say this channel, I'll be showing you the good side and the bad side. So is a practice. I'm not copying anybody. I'm just doing it for research purposes and to guide the upcoming dairy farmers so that we can grow together as farmers. So I'm going to be cutting all these, and I'm going to unbury that. I'm going to harvest the silage, and let's see how it came out. So guys, this is it. Now I have removed the, you see it was a big layer. So I have removed the soil that I have covered with. Now we have seen the polythene papers. You can see here we have cracks, yeah, because I have not dried for a while. That's why you see I seeing this. But so this is where we are going to start with. So watch along. Look at these. Yes, this is now the smell itself. I wish you are here, you could see this. The smell itself is wow. I like it. I am so in love with this dairy farming thing. Look at this. How nice is this? Guys, I'm telling you, if you keep on doing it, you can achieve it. So I have like a few feet downwards. And going that way, I have like 12 feet. And going downward, like 5 feet. And I'm so in love with this. So this one is going to take me for a while now. Before this one, I harvest it and I put it in a pit again. This is what you call the beauty of dairy farming. Look at this. This is just the beginning. I open it. Look at that. Look the color. If you want to know if it's a good silage, look at the color. It should be yellowish green, and it is exactly the same. You see, so pure, so fresh. Yeah, I love these. I love these guys. Yeah, and I'm so proud of myself. So for where I've come from, and if I'm doing this, anybody else can do this. Yeah, although I come from a background of farming, uh, anybody can do it. If you dedicate your time, if you do all these, I know you will achieve it. So let me scoop a little and give mate to my cow to see the reaction of it. If you want to know it is good, just give it to your cow. This is my cow here. Let me give it. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. I love this. Yeah, look at that. And that's the reaction showing that this is good silage. Yeah, there is nothing. A handful is gone. My cow has just finished it. So guys, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it, guys. So that was it. So I'll be scooping a little bit for the day, and then I'm going to close it well. Yeah. The disadvantages of it is dirt, and but I'm going to control the soil, as you can see it there, and water. In sometimes you can have water that can, if you fail to protect it well, it can be destroyed by water. Yeah, and I'm going to avoid that by all means possible. Look at this. It is already requesting for other. Yeah, so you can do it. I did it. You too can do it. Believe in yourself. Keep on working. Have patience in everything I do, and God will see you through. So have a nice day, and let me just feed my cows. See you in another video.